Viewers, moving on to news from Bulandshahr, Republic accesses a video that shows sitting BJP MP and candidate Bhola Singh openly violating the Model Code of Conduct. BJP MP Bhola Singh has visited polling booth and met people over there inside the polling booth near the EVM machine. Let's quickly go across to Anuj, who's joining us on the phone line to give us more updates. Anuj, what is it that the video has got?
Well, actually, this is a very shocking video which is coming in from Bulandshahr, and this is a BJP candidate. His name is Bhola Singh, who is clearly threatening the security there, who is clearly threatening the forces who are deployed at the polling center. And there he called to the DM also, and using the power, using the source, he let the security personnel talk to DM, and after that he entered into the polling booth. He entered in the premises, and there where he was having the BJP logo with him, and with that he enters, and which was clearly the violation of Model Code of Conduct. So this is something which has been witnessed in Bulandshahr, and clear gundagardi we call it.
And you know, Anuj, I'm just going to speak over those visuals and interrupt you for just a minute, because we want to go into the exclusive video that has been got. BJP Neta's full dadagiri is out in public. He was stopped from going inside by the forces. What he did is he dialed the district magistrate. Listen and look at this video for yourselves and make a decision about the dadagiri happening in Bulandshahr.
ये देवचंद्र जी हैं, ये के अंदर नहीं जाने देंगे बात करो। हेलो, हाँ सर बोलिए। इसमें बाहर नहीं दे सकते सर, हमारे को अलाउ नहीं है कि उसके ईवीएम के पास जाने के लिए सर। हाँ सर, जी सर। ठीक है, ठीक है।
मशीन पर कोई नहीं जाएगा, तो यहाँ जानकारी करेंगे।
वो तो यहीं मशीन पर नहीं जाएगा।
क्यों? किससे बात हुई है फोन पर आपके?
डीएम साहब से।
बोला है अंदर जाने के लिए साथ से।
क्या कह रहे थे डीएम? बोला अंदर जा सकते हैं।
तो ये जानकारी करेंगे, हम ऐसे चल रहा है।
This is shocking as it's violative of the election code of conduct and the model code of rules. Anila Singh, I ask you, what is happening in your state? The BJP MP is fighting off a courageous force man who's asking him, who do you want to speak to? And he's getting and dialing the district magistrate. What's happening there?
I am pretty sure that whatever the administration has to do in this regard, they must have done it.
What should have been done in this regard, Anila Singh, according to you?
It is there, like, you cannot carry your symbol with you, and he is wearing a scarf which has a lotus symbol of Bharatiya Janata Party. So it is indeed, I can say, I mean, he is not allowed, but administration is there to check it out.
Administration is there to check it out, but did you see how he was being stopped by a courageous man of the forces and how he did not restrain himself? The dadagiri went on and he actually dialed the DM.
He did not do any dadagiri. He was there and he was wearing a scarf, and I think administration must have asked him to remove it, and he must have done it.
Anila Singh, we've all just seen the video. The video is very clear on what he was doing. The first thing the BJP Neta did is he was tried to be stopped from going inside. The first thing he did is dial the DM. He tried to intimidate the officer by dialing the DM. Everybody has seen this, and I take this question to my other panelists now. Sundar Balakrishnan, shocking video which shows how the BJP Neta's full dadagiri was out.
Yeah, I'll tell you one more dadagiri. Please don't interrupt me. I want to tell you a very important thing which I read in the newspaper today.
I'm going to hold you on, because viewers, on this Republic exclusive video, we're also getting a reaction from the DM himself. Let's listen to how he's going to explain this.
लेकिन बूथ देखने का एक तरीका होता है जिसकी गाइडलाइंस तय है कि वो जाके से बूथ अपना देख सकते हैं और वापस आ सकते हैं। उसमें किसी से बात नहीं करेंगे, किसी से ब्लेसिंग नहीं लेंगे। तो वो जब पता चला कि उसमें उनके द्वारा इस तरह का कुछ किया गया, देखा गया है, वो चीज़ पिक्चर में आया, तो तुरंत उस पर हम लोगों ने संज्ञान लिया है। उस पर हम लोगों ने उनको नोटिस जारी किया है और आज के लिए हम लोग नज़रबंद कर रहे हैं। ठीक हो गया।
डॉक्टर भोला सिंह बूथ में गए थे, किसी से बातचीत कर रहे हैं, किस तरह की कार्रवाई जिला प्रशासन की ओर से की जाएगी?
नहीं, इसमें हम लोग आज ये एक जेपी जनता इंटर कॉलेज का प्रकरण है, जहाँ पर ये सब लोग, पहले तो मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि सभी प्रत्याशी और सभी उनके जितने एजेंट्स हैं वो सब के सब, उनका जो एजेंट होता है, जो निर्धारित पॉलिटिकल एजेंट हैं, वो अपने अपने बूथ को जाके देख सकते हैं। तो उसमें ये सिक्योरिटी ने वहाँ पर उनको चीज़ को रोका था कि वो उनको बूथ देखने से वो किया था कि नहीं देख सकते। तो उसमें जब उनको ये निर्देशित किया गया कि वो अपना जाके बूथ देख सकते हैं, और लेकिन बूथ देखने का एक तरीका होता है जिसकी गाइडलाइंस तय है कि वो जाके से बूथ अपना देख सकते हैं और वापस आ सकते हैं। उसमें किसी से बात नहीं करेंगे, किसी से ब्लेसिंग नहीं लेंगे। तो वो जब पता चला कि उसमें उनके द्वारा इस तरह का कुछ किया गया, देखा गया है, वो चीज़ पिक्चर में आया, तो तुरंत उस पर हम लोगों ने संज्ञान लिया है। उस पर हम लोगों ने उनको नोटिस जारी किया है और आज के लिए हम लोग नज़रबंद कर रहे हैं।
It seems the DM is trying to evade the issue, but clearly under the Model Code of Conduct, the view that has to be seen is all parties and candidates will avoid scrupulously being near 100 meters of the polling stations. We have to see how this will be looking at. We slip into a quick break, but it's a top story we continue tracking. Stay on with Republic Media Network.